Hi, everybody, and welcome to the Know What You're Talking About series. Today, we're talking about Topic 4, DQ1. So here's what DQ says. Suppose that a small family farm sold its output for $100,000. The family spent $25,000 on fuel, $40,000 on seed and fertilizer and pesticides, $20,000 on equipment, including maintenance. The family members could have earned $20,000 working at other occupations. What is the family's accounting cost? What is the family's economic cost? Could the family's economic cost ever exceed its accounting cost? Why or why not? Again, seems like a really complicated question, but let's take it apart a little bit and let's start by looking at the rubric for this question. So you'll find it right here in the very first post in DQ1, and looking at the rubric, there's only two items. It's define the accounting cost and economic cost, and discuss this family's accounting cost and this family's economic cost. So you can see from that the whole thing really revolves around those concepts of accounting costs versus economic costs. So where are you going to find out about that? Let's go to the textbook. So I'm over here in MindTap now, and I'm going to click on Topic 4, and you'll find discussion of the cost of production in Chapter 12. So let's go to Chapter 12, and let's go to the interactive book. And we'll wait for it to load. And here it is, and this is open to Section 12-1D, where it talks about economic profit versus economic or accounting profit. Here are the two terms explained. Here are our economists versus accountants. Here's more discussion in this little video. Everything you need to know about economic profit versus accounting profit. Implicit in that is the explanation of economic cost versus accounting costs. And also, if you go back a couple of sections to see the cost of capital as an opportunity cost, costs as opportunity costs, we have the discussion of implicit and explicit costs, and you're kind of getting tipped off here that opportunity cost is one of the factors that determines accounting costs or economic costs. So that's where you're going to go in your textbook. You're going to understand accounting costs versus economic costs and accounting profits versus economic profits. And then you're going to apply that model to this little problem that we have here. I think you'll do well on this, and I look forward to reading your response. Thanks so much.